Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Daniel, and this is solum.algo. Today, we're going to be looking at an exciting project, a cross-chain wallet called Daffi Wallet by Daffi One. And this is a really neat project. They're doing a lot of cool stuff. It is launched on Algorand. The tokens are minted on Algorand. Um, it is a Algorand project and also totally cross-chain with a lot of different blockchains. And this this wallet is really feature packed. It's a different approach to a wallet than what we've seen from some of the other wallets on Algorand, which are also great wallets. I love DeFi, I love Para, and I use both of those guys. Daffi is a different approach because they're bridging the traditional finance world. They're bridging um, the regulated world with the blockchain world, if you will. And they have a digital ID, a decentralized digital ID that you can verify who you are, and you can do KYC. I don't know that that's rolled out yet, but it will be if it's not. And from that, they're going to offer payroll solutions. They're offering peer-to-peer payments, and they're offering some other things here. We'll take a look here. They're offering payroll and also a debit card and totally cross-chain swaps. So you'll be able to move cross-chain at low cost with the Daffi wallet. And so it's really like a one-stop shop, almost the start of an everything app, if you will, like a WeChat app or something. I guess they probably won't have chat features, but like really all your financial stuff you could pretty much put on here and then use the Algorand network or any blockchain that you want could be managed. Um, as you can see, they have a lot of blockchains that they're offering, all the main ones that everybody uses. And of course, my favorite, Algorand, and my least favorite, Solana. They're all on there. So you can take your pick. You know, if you're a miserable person and you like waiting 14 seconds and then trying 5 more times, you can use Solana. And if you got stuff to do and you like transactions to work instantly and be done in 3.7 seconds or something like that and work every single time, then use Algorand, right? But the choice is yours. I'm just here to give you guys information. You know, obviously you can use whatever chain you want, and Daffi facilitates that. And then all the EVM chains, which some of them I like more than others. But right now they are on Algorand and Base. And I think they have the Ethereum wallet in there, and I'm not sure, maybe one other, Arbitrum or Optimism, I think, is live on the wallet. And the token is live on Algorand and Base right now. And let's get into the token now so I can show you guys, because the token is really exciting too. The Daffi Rewards token, Daffir, or Daffir, I don't know how you want to pronounce it, but it is a cashback rewards token for spending on the app and for spending on the upcoming debit card. So just like if you had a debit card or a bank account, right, and you spend money and you get cashback rewards or airline points or whatever you do with your card, this is their rewards point, right? And it is a crypto token. There's a max supply of 100 million across all chains, and that supply gets rewarded at a rate of 1% for spending in the app or on their card. And that those rewards can be used for cash back on future purchases, and they can also be swapped into any crypto token you want on any of the blockchains that are supported. So that's really neat. It's a good way to begin stacking, you know, whatever your favorite coin is. You could even be going into wrapped Bitcoin with this, which would be cool. So cashback rewards, swap it into wrapped Bitcoin, hold it in Daffi right now, I think, and I'll show you guys why you might want to hold your Daffi Rewards token, and that is that right now this token is launched on Algorand and Base, and I will show you exactly what's going on. On Algorand, your token price is 0.04660, so 0.046 basically, and Um, it's done very well, and if you bought early, you've really outperformed everything else on Algorand except for maybe Moonjuice. Um, but just a fantastic growth in this token as they've launched this wallet. But they also launched on Base 7 days ago. And as you can see, when they launched on Base down here in the bottom right corner, you can see that they total supply burned. They burned 5%, 10 million Daffi Rewards were burned on Algorand and minted on Base. And so when they minted those on Base, the token price has gone up to 0.4374, almost a 10x multiple between the Base token and the Algorand token. Now, what will happen sometime in January is that all of the places where the Daffi token, Daffi Rewards token is launched, all of the blockchains it's launched on, will become unified on the Daffi Rewards wallet, which means you will be able to move it cross-chain, which means the price will normalize across all these chains as people take advantage of arbitrage opportunities. So, one of the things you might could do right now is buy the token on Algorand with the intent in January of moving it cross-chain and selling it at a higher price on Base or Ethereum or Avalanche or Solana or wherever the token might be available in January. And so that is a potential opportunity that you could pursue. Now, I think that if that opportunity arises, it will be very short lived. You might have a day or only a few hours to do something like that, but it could be a potential way to make really large gains in a short period of time. So the spread right now is a 10x, and I expect that gap to close as we get closer to January. But even if you can make a 5 or 10 gain in an arbitrage opportunity here, that could be a really great opportunity to make some extra money on the Daffi token. And I expect a lot of volatility there in January as they unify everything. So there should be a good opportunity to trade some Daffi tokens. But that is what's going on with the price. It is 10x multiple because um, there's 10 million tokens here on Base. There are 90 million tokens on Algorand. And even if there's not an arbitrage opportunity, if you were to buy Daffi right now on Algorand, you should expect that price will probably go up because as they launch this token on more chains, they will burn more tokens on Algorand, reducing the supply by 10 million for every chain they launch. So I think the plan is I'm not going to do the math here and calculate how many chains they're launching on, but I think the plan is like 10 million tokens on every chain. So that would include Algorand. So the Algorand supply will probably get burned down to 10 million tokens at some point, and that will mean that the token price will go up because of a reduced supply. So something that you guys should pay attention to and look into that token. Of course, do your own research, know what you're buying, look into the team, look into the project, read about it. There's certainly a lot of due diligence you can and should do. I'm just here to tell you what's going on Algorand, what's going on in the marketplace. Um, but guys, I think that's about all I have on Daffi. It is an incredible project, one of the most exciting projects right now. Launched on Algorand, going cross-chain to everywhere imaginable, and lots of potential. Um, and I'm looking forward to this. I did install my wallet. The only reason I didn't show you guys how the wallet works like I normally would with a tutorial or something is because I really don't trust screen share and screen reading apps on my phone. It's the only phone I have. I do all my crypto stuff on it. And so I'm really careful about what I put on that phone. And so I'm not gonna show you guys, like, I'm not gonna set something up like that to share my phone. But anyways, that is that's something I wish I had a workaround for it because it probably would be neat to be able to show you some wallet stuff, but not important enough to risk my security. As security settings and stuff. But anyways, guys, that's all we got for today. Please like and subscribe to my videos. I greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of Daffi One and what they're doing. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.